we have two career fairs in a year. One is in the fall semester and one is in the spring semester. The biggest advantage of events is that it is very close to the city, New York City. It's just like 15 to 20 minutes. So there are many good companies coming in. So you can make a list of the companies beforehand you would want to apply to. Talk to the recruiters out there, submit your resume. Then there is a Stevens career portal called Handshake. So there you have to apply it online again. And many students do get call from the career fair itself. Even if you do not get a call from the career fair, don't get disappointed. There are websites like Indeed, Glassdoor, and LinkedIn. These three are the main websites where you need to apply for your internship and full time as well. I would recommend that you start applying for your internship as soon as you come here. Your classes starts in like the last week of August. You can definitely start applying from like first week of September. Three main positions that students apply is data analyst, business analyst, or data scientist. It all depends on like where is your interest inclined towards. Starting from $15 per hour and it goes up to $55 per hour. Most of the internships get converted into full-time jobs. Yeah, so as I said, there are different career fairs for internship. There are different career fairs for full-time jobs. Second option is the Handshake, which is the Stevens career portal. And apart from that, you can apply through LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor. Also, if you are really interested in any company and you're looking forward to it, you can reach out to the HR directly, and you can drop them an email with your resume and how interested you are in their company and position that you're applying for, and how could your presence in that company could be beneficial for the company. I've seen students here who did not have any work experience and they have got into really good companies as an intern and also for full time. And I have seen people who had prior experience and they did not end up getting an internship. So it all depends on your skill set, what amount of knowledge do you have, and how could your skill set be beneficial to company. So that is all they are looking for.